All right, guys, here we have the Shilly Fortune. So it is the SHILLY BAR golden lottery giveaway. And the more you hold, the more chances of winning. So here we go. We're about to do the first spin. This one is for 2 BNB. And we have our winner. If your wallet ends in 6763, go ahead and contact us in the Telegram and claim it. And yeah, you can get your whole two BNB prize. So don't worry, guys. There's 4 more spins. We're getting it ready here now. Our next set of holders. And yeah, this one's for 2 BNB too. So let's go. Woo! There we go, 2 BNB to you. Wallet ending in 558E. So remember, come and claim it from us. If this is your wallet, you gotta tell us so we can send you that money. All right, next set. Here we go, 2 BNB. And there we go. We have another winner. This is so awesome. Your wallet ends in 4F2E. You just won 2 BNB as well. Congratulations. This is why you should be a SHILLY BAR holder, guys. There's just like these random giveaways we'll be doing on the Shilly Fortune. So, and we got more coming up. I think we got 2 more, right? And the winner of 2 BNB. And I think it's lagging. All right, here we go. 4. Oh, okay. If your wallet ends in 8C14, you just won 2 BNB as well. All right, we have the last spin here. Who is gonna win 2 BNB? Here we go. The suspense, it's building. So make sure, guys, if you've won, you have to contact us in our Telegram so that we know who you are, we know who to send the money to, we know the wallet to send the address to. We just want you to come claim it. All right, the last winner, you get 2 BNB. Wallet ending in D301. Congratulations! That is the first set of the Shilly Fortune. So if you guys didn't know, we have 5%, or is it 4%? I'm sorry, 4% of every transaction goes into this lottery, our lottery, the Shilly Fortune. That's why you gotta be a SHILLY BAR holder. You're only gonna get picked if you're a holder.